How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can show primary and general feature onto your Instagram message. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So when you tap on the messages icon, you should be able to see a primary general option. And if you want that feature, you just need to follow some steps. So in order to get that feature, you first of all, you need to have a professional account. Only professional account has that feature. So what I want you to do is just get back and tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, just go to the menu bar. And let's begin with the process of turning on the professional mode on your account. So scroll down until you see account types and tools under your insights and tool. Just tap on it and tap on switch to professional account. After tapping on it, continue with the process and set up a professional account. Just tap on continue and choose your account type. After that, switch to professional account. After setting up your professional account, what you can do is just get back to the home page and tap on the chat section and tap on not now. And here you can see how you get the feature of primary general channels and request option easily just by converting your account into professional account. So therefore, just by converting your personal account into professional account, you get this feature of primary general. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.